Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Tech and Web.
In this video, we're showcasing the best 3D printers of 2025, perfect for hobbyists, professionals, and educators alike. From high-speed models to beginner-friendly options, these top picks offer cutting-edge features and exceptional print quality. Let's dive into the future of 3D printing. Link in the description below. Number 1. Bambu Lab A1 Mini 3D Printer. If you're seeking a high-performance 3D printer that delivers precision, speed, and convenience right out of the box, the Bambu Lab A1 Mini is an unbeatable choice. This compact yet powerful machine features an ultra-fast printing speed with up to 10,000 millimeters per second squared acceleration, ensuring your projects are completed faster without compromising detail or quality. It's engineered for simplicity with fully automatic calibration, including bed leveling, vibration compensation, and Z offset tuning, making it incredibly user-friendly, even for beginners. For creatives looking to bring vibrant ideas to life, the A1 Mini supports multicolor printing through the optional AMS light system, allowing up to 4 filaments in a single print. Its whisper-quiet operation, less than or equal to 48 decibels, makes it perfect for home, studio, or office environments. Whether you're printing functional parts, prototypes, or artistic designs, the A1 Mini offers reliability, precision, and efficiency in a sleek, desktop-friendly footprint. Choose the combo version for full multicolor capability and unlock the full potential of next-gen 3D printing. Number 2. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M Pro 3D Printer. Unlock a seamless and powerful 3D printing experience with the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M Pro, a multifunctional printer that combines user-friendliness, professional-grade performance, and unmatched safety features, making it a standout choice for both beginners and seasoned makers. With an impressive 220 by 220 by 220 millimeter build volume, this printer provides ample space for creative and practical projects alike, while its sleek, enclosed design ensures consistent print quality and environmental control. Powered by CoreXY architecture, it enables ultra-fast, precise printing with significantly reduced vibration, even at high speeds. What truly sets the Adventurer 5M Pro apart is its dual air filtration system, HEPA, plus activated carbon keeping both the environment and users protected from fumes and particles, a perfect fit for homeschool or office settings. The printer comes with auto bed leveling and a quick-release nozzle system, making setup and maintenance hassle-free. You'll also appreciate the multi-material compatibility, Wi-Fi connectivity, and intuitive touchscreen interface, giving you full control from start to finish. Whether you're prototyping functional parts, designing artistic models, or exploring new materials, the 5M Pro is engineered to make your ideas reality smoothly, quietly, and reliably. Number 3. Elegoo Saturn 4 Ultra 12K Resin 3D Printer. The Elegoo Saturn 4 Ultra 12K Resin 3D Printer is a powerhouse for creators who demand precision, speed, and reliability. Featuring a massive 10-inch 12K monochrome LCD screen, it delivers ultra-fine detail and sharp edges in every print, making it ideal for professional prototypes, miniatures, and intricate models. With a build volume of 8.62 by 4.84 by 8.66 inches, it offers ample space for large format prints or multiple parts in one go. This model also includes smart automatic leveling, ensuring effortless setup and consistent performance across the build plate. With printing speeds up to 150 millimeters per hour, the Saturn 4 Ultra is one of the fastest resin printers in its class, great for rapid production workflows. Its updated cooling and air filtration systems further enhance longevity and printing accuracy while keeping odors to a minimum. Number 4. Sovol SV08 CoreXY IDEX 3D Printer. Unleash your creativity with the Sovol SV08 CoreXY IDEX 3D Printer, a powerhouse designed for ambitious makers, professionals, and serious hobbyists alike. With its massive 13.8 inches by 13.8 inches by 13.6 inches build volume and precision-engineered CoreXY motion system, The SV08 delivers blazing fast print speeds without sacrificing quality. The IDEX, independent dual extruder, system opens the door to multi-material, dual color, mirror, and duplication modes, making it easier than ever to bring complex ideas to life. Featuring clog-resistant direct drive extruders, automatic bed leveling, a PEI flexible magnetic plate, and dual Z-axis stabilization, this printer is built for performance, reliability, and ease of use. Whether you're printing large prototypes, intricate mechanical parts, or colorful artistic models, the Sovol SV08 gives you the versatility and power to do it all, right out of the box. Number 5, Creality K2 Plus Combo 3D Printer. Experience cutting-edge innovation with the Creality K2 Plus, a professional-grade CoreXY 3D printer engineered for speed, precision, and intelligent automation. Built with a robust all-metal frame and featuring a 350 by 350 by 340 millimeter build volume, this machine empowers creators to produce large, detailed models with ease. The fully automatic leveling system and active flow rate compensation ensure flawless first layers and consistent extrusion, even on challenging prints. Its high-speed capabilities, combined with Creality's smart input shaping and vibration compensation technology, reduce print time while maintaining exceptional detail. Whether you're a professional designer, engineer, or serious maker, the K2 Plus's Wi-Fi connectivity, intuitive touchscreen interface, and advanced cooling system deliver a seamless, efficient, and powerful 3D printing experience from start to finish, making it a top-tier choice for those who demand quality and performance. Number 6, FLASHFORGE Adventure 5M 3D Printer. The FLASHFORGE Adventure 5M 3D Printer is a high-speed, user-friendly device designed for both beginners and experienced users. It features a CoreXY all-metal structure that ensures stability during printing and a 280 Celsius direct extruder with a 3-second quick detachable nozzle for easy maintenance. The printer offers a maximum speed of 600 millimeters per second and a build volume of 220 by 220 by 220 millimeters, allowing for rapid and sizable prints. Its fully automatic one-click leveling system simplifies setup, making it accessible for users new to 3D printing. The Adventurer 5M supports various filament types, including PLA, ABS, PETG, TPU, PLA, CF, and PETG CF, providing versatility for different projects. Additional features like filament run-out reminders and power loss recovery enhance the printing experience by preventing common issues. Overall, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M combines speed, precision, and ease of use, making it a compelling choice for anyone looking to explore or expand their 3D printing capabilities. Number 7, Anycubic Kobra 3 Max is a cutting-edge 3D printer. The Anycubic Kobra 3 Max is a cutting-edge 3D printer designed for creators seeking expansive build volumes and high-speed, multicolor printing capabilities. With an impressive 420 by 420 by 500 millimeter build area, it accommodates large-scale projects effortlessly. Its LeviQ 3.0 auto-leveling system ensures a flawless first layer without manual adjustments, enhancing print quality and reliability. The printer supports up to 600 millimeters per second print speeds, significantly reducing production time. Equipped with dual Y-axis motors, automatic belt tensioning, and a PEI spring steel platform, it offers stability and ease of use. The Kobra 3 Max also features intelligent filament management, including auto-refill and tangle detection, ensuring uninterrupted printing sessions. With the Anycubic app, users can remotely monitor and control prints, making it a versatile choice for both professionals and hobbyists. Number 8, Anycubic Kobra 3D Printer. The Anycubic Kobra 3D Printer is a high-speed, versatile machine designed for both beginners and experienced users. With a maximum print speed of 600 millimeters per second and acceleration up to 20,000 millimeters per second squared, it delivers rapid and precise prints. The printer features intelligent vibration compensation and a quick swap, full metal nozzle capable of reaching 300 degrees Celsius, allowing for smooth extrusion and compatibility with various filaments. For multicolor printing, the Kobra 3 requires the additional Anycubic Ace Pro system enabling up to 4-color prints and intelligent filament management, including drying and clog detection. The 4.3-inch adjustable touchscreen and auto-leveling system makes setup and operation straightforward. With a build volume of 250 by 250 by 260 millimeters, the Anycubic Kobra 3 offers ample space for creative projects. Amazon +2.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.